question number 4 says, dopamine has been ordered at 4 micrograms per kilogram per minute using a 400 milligram per 250 ml solution. The patient weighs 154 pounds. Find the rate in milliliters per hour. So it's 4 micrograms per kilogram per minute. The solution is 400 milligrams over 250 milliliters. Patient weighs 154 pounds, and our final answer needs to be in mLs per hour. So I do want to start with the weight. And we do need to divide by 2.2 and round to the nearest tenth. And that will be 70 kilograms. So the patient weighs 70 kilograms. Next I need to set up a proportion with the rate that has a per kilogram, and that's right here. So I'm matching my kilograms. And then I want to solve this proportion. And we get 280. So this will be 280 micrograms per minute. And we know it's per minute because this had the per minute with it. Okay, so we do have a rate, but our rate is in micrograms per minute, and it needs to be in milliliters per hour. So I need to convert from a powdered form to a liquid form, which means I need to use the solution strength. And before I solve this, I need to do two things. I need to convert this to 400,000 micrograms, and I need to multiply the 280 by 60 because that 280 is per minute and we need it to be per hour. So I'm going to take 250 times 280 times 60 divided by 400,000. And we get 10.5, but they want us to round this to the nearest whole number, so it will be 11 mLs per hour.